So after an amazing trip to the South Island of New Zealand, it's now time to share some of that experience with you. Now I hope to make this a little bit more exciting than the old family slide night, but I have to tell you right now, the footage and the photos just don't do this country justice. It was absolutely breathtaking, but I hope you get a little bit of an idea of just how beautiful it really is. Enjoy! Now it's time to face that fear of flying over water. If we crash into the ocean, it's his fault. Well, hello. I've arrived in New Zealand and here we are in Queenstown. This place is just so beautiful. Let me show you around. First up, gondola ride to the lookout point on the top of the mountain. And then... what are we on? A chairlift!
A chairlift.
So beautiful. My bum's cold. But getting a cold backside was absolutely worth it for this view. And here's a closer look at the Remarkables, which are clearly seen from any point in Queenstown. The highest point is 2,300 metres. Pretty remarkable if you ask me. While in Queenstown, we stayed here at Turner Heights, in that little place right there. And this was our amazing view. It's time to set off to Milford Sound for our nature cruise. We're almost to Milford Sound, but right now we're at the Mirror Lakes. Gotta check this out. Pretty amazing, hey? Well, soon we'll be in Milford Sound, so we'll see you there. Now I got a little excited because I thought this was a kiwi, but it turns out it's another flightless bird, a weka.
Aww, it's adorable.
So we've arrived in Milford Sound for our cruise. Very exciting. Let me show you the boat. Check her out. So incredibly beautiful. And we're off. We've reached the end of the Milford Sounds and here we go back in again. And on our way back in, we came across this little poser. On the way back from Milford Sound, we spent a night here at Tianu, where we stayed at another great little spot, the Red Tussock, which was right by the lake. Along the way, we decided to pick up this guy. Where are you headed?
Go.
So, where are you actually from?